Guys, we're back here with the Nissan, and we got the oil change done. That was the first part of this tune-up. The next part we're going to be looking at is the airflow. So as you look back here, this filter is pretty dirty. Take a good look at it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make work on taking this off, and we're actually going to clean it. I got this kit. It's by Spectra, and it's a kit that you just clean it off. So we're going to take it off, and we're also going to clean the mass airflow sensor. And that's supposed to increase gas mileage, and it has for me before, so we're gonna get started on this. Alright guys, so we pulled out our mass airflow sensor, or MAF airflow sensor. Basically how these things work, if you see the little black, or I guess just metal particles in there, and what it does is it heats up, it gets hot. It basically bases the airflow on how fast that little wire is getting cooled. So it heats up, and however much CFM cools it down, and then it calculates how much airflow there is. And if it's not reading right, you're not going to get a perfect, it's just not going to perform perfectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean that out. Alright, as you can see here, we picked up, it's about $8, CRC mass airflow sensor is what I used before. And you can see right on the bottle, it says that it's proven to gain 4 to 10 horsepower at the wheels. It improves the air to fuel ratio, obviously, and then increases miles to the gallon, and it does. Not as extensively as you think, but we're gonna go ahead and clean that out. Alright, we got that nice and dried out. As you can see, it dried up really quickly. We're just gonna let it sit here and dry out a little bit more, and then we'll move on to the air filter. And one thing to mention is this will last you so many cleans. I got it really clean, and this can is still packed full, so we're gonna move on to the air filter now. Alright, we're at the filter now. As you can see, there's a lot of crap in there, and we're just gonna start off by just shot backing it out and just suck all the big particles out. Alright, so what we did is we just kind of vacuumed it off as good as we could. But we're gonna start off with this filter kit. It's about $10, and I was gonna buy the Spectra filter, and it was about $40. This exact same filter is like $40. This might be the Edelbrock, but anyways, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this. It's a lot cheaper, and we can clean this filter more than once. So it can be a lot cheaper than buying a $40 filter a couple times, and it's just cheaper, it's simpler. It's just a little bit more work, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so the first step here is just apply the cleaner and wait 10 minutes. So here we got the cleaner. As you can see, make sure it's the cleaner, not the oil. You just want to spray this sucker down. Alright, so we got it all sprayed down. It's a pretty strong cleaner. It kind of smells like 409, but we gotta wait a good 10 minutes, and then we're gonna wash it down with water, and then we get to the next step. Alright, so we let it soak for a good 10-15 minutes, and now we're just gonna bring it over to the sink and wash it out like as directed. Alright, so we got it all rinsed out real good. I use hot water. We're just gonna let it dry a little more. I've been batting it and hitting it on the pot towel, and we're not gonna rush it too much, but we're just gonna let it sit here and dry out, and then we'll do the oil. Alright guys, we let this dry by the fan and in the sun. The next part, what you want to do is you want to pull out your oil and we're going to spray it down. And you're actually supposed to go to the website, as it says on there, for specs for how much to put on there, but we're just going to guess it. I mean, we can have common sense with it. The pumping. Probably want it just like you're misting it. Don't want to get it wet like you did with the cleaner. Alright, here guys, we got the finished product. It looks really good. I like it. We sprayed the oil on and everything. You can feel it, you can see it. It's a good amount. I'm not sure the exact amount, but it's what we need. So we're gonna put this back on the vehicle. Air cleaner is gonna be clean. I think I'll get maybe 1 or 2 more cleans out of it and out of the kit. So it's definitely worth the $10 purchase compared to the $40 purchases each time for a new filter. So here at the car, we got our filter all rebuilt. We got our mass airflow sensor very clean with the spray. And actually, as you can see, there's a throttle body or something back there. And what I did is I went ahead and sprayed up in there and cleaned that off with the towel and stuff. So we're gonna put this all back together. We're gonna make sure the flow arrow goes the right way. And then we'll go ahead and proceed to tighten it all down, put it on, and then start it up. Alright, we got everything reconnected. That mass airflow sensor is plugged back in. Now we're just going to start her up, make sure she's running how she should, and hopefully we didn't soak it down too much. Oh boy, it might be a problem. Kind of struggled to get up and going. I think that's the moisture on the filter. So if you're wondering, but otherwise, I mean, it seems, yeah, very responsive. As soon as it warms up, all that humidity will go away. But anyways, so that's the second part of the tune-up on the airflow system. As you can see, that filter is clean, it looks nice, and it's oiled up. Protection from water. It's a cold air intake. It's even aluminum, so it dissipates more heat. Yeah, that's good. You're getting a fresh air intake compared to with a level system, but we got the whole air system done, and that's the second part of the tune-up.